This is dewberry, our native berry bushes in central Texas that produce these delicious little berries that look like miniature blackberries. You can kind of start to see some of the spent flowers that'll turn into berries. Here in a few weeks they'll start to form and they'll be ready to harvest later on in the season. But in addition to the edible berries that can be harvested, the leaves of this plant are medicinal and can be used as a red raspberry substitute. So the plant's astringent, meaning it's tightening and toning for the tissues, and this plant specifically works on the tissues of the female reproductive system, the urinary tract system, and the digestive system. So to use this plant, you would harvest the leaves, dry them, and make a tea. You can make a simple tea, which is a tablespoon of herb to 1 cup of boiling water and steep for about 10 minutes. Or due to this plant's nutritive qualities, providing loads of vitamins and minerals to the body, you can make a nourishing infusion, which takes 1 ounce of herb to 4 cups of boiling water, and you steep that for 4 to 8 hours. So this plant can be found along roadsides, areas that aren't going to be mowed down regularly, so usually rural roadsides, along train tracks for that reason as well, fence lines, and this plant is all over the shores of Lake Belton. Just be careful when harvesting this plant because it has loads of little bitty sharp thorns on it. If you can see them here maybe, that love to get stuck in your hand. It breaks off from the plant and sticks into your hand, and a lot like splinters, you have to kind of search them out and find them and pull them out. But it's totally worth it because not only are the berries good and you can use them to make jams or desserts and pies and tarts and things, but the medicinal qualities of this plant are great. It's awesome to have a substitute for red raspberry that's actually native.